Good day everyone, this is Ian of Inside Moto, and once again we are back here at the Honda Safety Driving Center. We are here to test the Honda's lineup of big bikes. This bike in particular, the Honda XADV, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko for today. So in the context, this is the first time na magamit ko yung XADV and I was surprised. Medyo aggressive yung look niya, so medyo parang intimidating siya for some, lalo na sa mga baguhan, and for those na galing sa scooter and mag-upgrade to bigger bikes like this one. So scooter to maxi scooter. Once na naka-mount ka na sa bike, once you try to ride it na, the throttle is very smooth and it's easy to handle, very nimble. Sobrang flickable niya from left to right. Pinaka-favorite ko talaga sa kanya is the handling. And of course, the DCT or the dual clutch transmission. Very helpful siya lalo sa traffic dito sa Metro Manila, and to be more relaxed pagka nasa long ride ka, napakaganda ng dual clutch transmissions para relax ka lang. For this one, you can see naman, available na yung mga accessories niya. Mabibili niyo yan sa mga select stores ng Honda. Thank you Honda for inviting us again, and Honda Safety Driving Center, Honda #1.